Chase Sapphire Preferred is one of the best travel credit cards out there. Currently, at the time of making this video, Chase Sapphire Preferred is offering a limited time offer of 60,000 bonus points and an additional $300 Chase travel credit after spending $4,000 in the first 3 months of account opening. If you're wondering if this card makes sense for you to have, or if you're wondering how you can make the most out of this card, well, I got you covered. Today, I'm going over everything you need to know about Chase Sapphire Preferred card, from sign-up bonus to rewards and benefits, protections, and also the points redemptions in various ways so that you can make the most out of this card. So if you are interested in any of the topics that I'm going to mention about Chase Sapphire Preferred card, then please make sure you stay until the very end of this video. And don't forget to subscribe my channel for more finance videos just like this. First, let's go over the entry point of Chase Sapphire Preferred card. It has an annual fee of $95, and there are ways that you can do so that you can make your annual fee cheaper than $95. The current offer of 60,000 points is equivalent to $600 in value when you redeem it as statement credit or cashback to your checking account. But if you redeem the same 60,000 points on the Chase Travel portal, your points are worth 25% more value, and in that case, your 60,000 bonus points are worth $750 in value. So with the $300 Chase Travel credit, you are getting a total value of $1,050 in the first year of card ownership. So basically, you are getting more value out of your Chase Preferred card than what you pay for in annual fee. By the way, shameless plug, 96% of viewers from my last video are not subscribed to my channel yet. If you're one of them, and if you find my videos helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel for more finance videos just like this. And thank you so much if you subscribe, and that means a lot to me, and I appreciate your support. Alright, now let's move on to the rewards and multipliers of Chase Sapphire Preferred so that you can make the most out of this card while you're using it for your purchases. You're getting 3x points on dining at restaurants, including delivery services and takeout. You're getting 3x points on Chase Dining, 5x points on travel purchases on Chase Travel Portal, 2x points on other travel purchases that are not on Chase Travel Portal, 3x points on streaming services. You can also earn 3x points on online grocery purchases, and that exclude Walmart, Target, and other wholesale clubs. You're also getting 5 points on Lyft rides and 1 point on everything else. So as you can see here, the majority of the rewards are concentrated around travel and dining categories. So let's say if you travel at least once a year or more, or spend money on travel and dining purchases, then you can get more value than what you pay for in annual fee. While on the subject of travel, Chase Sapphire Preferred also gives $50 in Chase Travel credit when you book hotel stays on Chase Travel Portal. So if you travel at least once a year and book a hotel on Chase Travel Portal, then your annual fee of $95 become $45 with the $50 Chase Travel credit. So that's even cheaper to have Chase Sapphire Preferred in your wallet. Also, there is no foreign transaction fee on this card. So if you travel out of state and use Chase Sapphire Preferred card on your purchases, then you can save a lot of money on foreign transaction fees. Now let's move on to the benefits and protections of Chase Sapphire Preferred. It offers a ton of travel benefits and travel insurance. Take an example of trip cancellation and interruption insurance. So if your trip is canceled by sickness, weather, or covered situations, you can be reimbursed up to $10,000 per covered traveler and $20,000 per trip on your travel expenses. Let's look at auto rental coverage. To use this benefit, you have to decline the rental car's collision insurance and charge the entire cost of the rental to your Sapphire Preferred card. So if you do that, the coverage is primary, then it won't affect your personal car insurance, and you will get reimbursement up to $60,000 for theft and collision damage for most rental cars out there, and that is under $125,000. So most of the rental cars are less than $125,000 unless you go for like expensive cars or sport cars. And there are more amazing travel benefits and insurance as you can see on this page. And something that is great to have is the lost luggage reimbursement, baggage delay insurance, roadside assistance, travel and emergency assistance. I mean, these benefits are amazing considering you are only paying this credit card for $95 in annual fee. So if you were to buy your own travel insurance, you could be paying more or less than the annual fee that you pay for Chase Sapphire Preferred, and you might not get the premium travel benefits and insurance like the Chase Sapphire Preferred offers. That's just my opinion and I might be wrong. If you were to travel a couple times a year and you have to buy the travel insurance on your own, then it doesn't make sense financially because you will be spending more money on your travel insurance. But having Chase Sapphire Preferred and you use that card to book for your travel, then you know for sure that your trips are covered and you can be peace of mind when you're traveling. Now let's move on to how you can redeem your Chase points so that you can make the most out of your points. And there are 3 ways to redeem your Chase points. The first way to redeem your Chase points is through statement balance or cash back to your checking account. Let's say if you have 60,000 points on your Ultimate Rewards portal, and redeeming your points as statement balance or cash back to your checking will only give you 1 cent per point on your available points. So your 60,000 points will give you $600 in cash. The second way to redeem your Chase point is through Chase Travel Portal. On Chase Travel Portal, your points are worth 25% more value than what you would normally get from redeeming as statement credit. With 25% more value, the conversion rate becomes 1.25 cents per point. From the previous example of 60,000 points on Chase Travel Portal, those points are now worth $750 in value. So you can redeem those points on flights, hotels, cruise, or any other travel purchases that are available on Chase Travel Portal. And the third way to redeem your points is through transfer partners. Chase has a lot of transfer partners, and on Chase Travel Portal you can see they have partners with a lot of airlines and also hotels. Sometimes those hotels or flights on the transfer partners list are offering bonus offers, so you can even get more value out of your Chase points. Using your points on transfer partners can get the most value out of your points, but you also need to keep an eye out on the transfer partners offers and promotions on Chase Travel Portal, so it's something that you have to do on your own. By now, I hope some of you might be interested in the Chase Sapphire Preferred, but before you jump the gun and applying for that card, I want to go over some of the requirements so that you have more chances of getting approved at the time of applying for that card. First, I would recommend you to have a credit score of 750 or above so that you can have the higher chances of getting approved for Chase Sapphire Preferred card. Even though Chase doesn't mention the minimum credit score requirement, it's always in your best interest to have a higher credit score on your end so that you have a higher chances of getting approved. Next, you should not currently have any Chase Sapphire credit cards to apply for Chase Sapphire Preferred. To be eligible for the current Chase Sapphire bonus offer, you should not have received any Chase Sapphire bonus offer within the last 48 months. And third, beware of Chase unspoken rule, which is 524 rule, meaning that if you have applied for 5 or more credit cards within the last 24 months, then you would not be eligible to be approved for your Chase Sapphire Preferred card. If that's your case, I would recommend you to wait a little longer so that some of your credit inquiries on your credit reports disappear. Once you are out of 524 rule, then you can think about applying for Chase Sapphire Preferred. If you meet the requirements that I just mentioned and also have big purchases coming up, this is a perfect time to snatch the limited time offer of 60,000 bonus points and an additional $300 travel credit. However, always do your own due diligence. Don't just apply for Chase Sapphire Preferred card just because I tell you to do it, or other finance YouTuber tells you to do it, or other people around you tell you to do it. Only apply for Chase Sapphire Preferred card if it makes sense for you and if you are actually traveling and spending money on travel and dining purchases, and if you think you can make the most out of the card and get more value out of the card than what you pay for in annual fee. So that's about it. Let me know your thoughts on Chase Sapphire Preferred in the comments below. And also, do you currently have Chase Sapphire Preferred card? Are you thinking of applying for Chase Sapphire Preferred in the future? If you have Chase Sapphire Preferred card right now, what are your favorite features and benefits on this card? Let me know in the comments below so that I can learn more from you and other people can learn from you too. Thank you so much for watching this video, and if you find this video helpful in some ways, then drop a comment down below, drop a like down below, and also subscribe to my channel for more videos just like this. I appreciate your support, and I'll see you in the next video.